Hi guys, today we are going to make coffee shop logo within a small time period. Before you are not subscribed to me, click the subscribe and click the bell icon and press the notify button to get the notification when upload a video. To draw a cup style, first draw a circle and give it a gradient color. And I choose the brown and maroon color for gradient and adjust the gradient to take a perfect position. You can see that I'm using a stroke to get a beautiful outline to my circle. Let's make a perfect look to my cup circle. And I make little cute circles one by one and make position to far directions. And I choose the color that's my first circle, stork maroon color. I make the shapes like clock, minutes hand and hour hand. To get face of clock look. And I adjust the dial of the clock shape to take perfect position. We done the half of work. And I take a little bit of space to make coffee sections. To get the arc of this shape, I copy the circle and the shape to the another side with Command or Control with Alt and hold and dragging the mouse point. Here I undo the stroke and click to intersect Command to cut the shape. I delete the original arc shape and place the another max shaft, and change the color. And adjust the shape for my wish. I select the circle shape to make some circle. I select gradient color and adjust the gradient to the circle like this. You can see that I am not click section tool. How is that? I hold the Control or Command and select the circle. That is a shortcut. And I draw another circle in the plain color. And I make a shape with white color to give a pretty look. Making the cup handle. To end my logo, I add some shadow to my logo with using the shape. By merging the shape, I can get a perfect shadow. I get the shadow while decreased by the opacity. And I group those shapes to move to easy. I choose a font to logo that perfectly matched, and change the color of the font on one side of font. To end the tutorial, I typings as slogan and position to correct place. I choose the best font to slogan. I select whole slogan text, give some space as 400 pixels. Fine. Finally, we finished the tutorial. I placed our logo some object to see the finishing. It's pretty good. If you like this video, please give a like, subscribe and get the bell icon to get my new uploaded as soon as fast. Thanks for watching this video. I will meet you in another video. Bye bye.